till I crash. With a vengeance, you gon' see me end this. I will be ascending, I don't ever slack. I got my eyes on a path, what I see for my life, I don't
Anjir. Hello everybody, welcome back again with another video. Hari ini aku akan latihan di hari terakhir, yaitu hari ini tuh hari Minggu. So that means I'm on my days 5 or last day of this week. Dan aku akan latihan push, and today's push workout is gonna be started with incline chest press. So it is gonna be purely for bodybuilding purposes. So I'm gonna try to go not as heavy as I can, tapi as muscle connections a lot as I can. So I want to feel a lot of muscle connections, or mind and muscle connection, or muscle soreness that I want to have for today. Jadi supaya supaya aku benar-benar bisa ngerasain ototku. So I have to be mindful about a lot of things. Some of them are aku harus bisa kontrol aku punya repetisi, aku harus bisa ngerasain aku punya otot. Misalnya latihan otot dada, berarti harus ngelatihin otot dada itu bisa ngerasain di setiap repetisinya. Habis itu yang berikutnya aku harus benar-benar kasih beban yang quite challenging, tapi in the deload mode. Jadi nggak challenging banget untuk aku dan masih tetap oke untuk muscle gains-nya. Well, I don't know exactly how can I get the muscle gains, tapi yang aku tahu itu kalian itu harus di RIR 0 sampai 2 gitu lah. Pokoknya RIR itu reps in reserve. Artinya tangki kalian untuk melakukan repetisi itu pada saat sudah selesai set itu tinggal berapa. Misalnya tinggal 2. Misalnya tinggal 2 itu artinya kalian misalnya lakukan incline chest press 10 repetisi. Oh, kayaknya bisa aku lakukan lagi 2 dan kalian stop gitu. Nah, itu RIR 2. Kalau misalnya lebih dari itu, misalnya aduh, ini kayak entengan nih. Aku sudah stop di 10, harusnya aku bisa 5 lagi deh sebenarnya. So, berarti itu RIR 5, kayak gitulah kurang lebih. Terus kalau misalnya 10 dan nggak bisa ngerasain lagi, berarti RIR-nya 0 gitu. Mirip dengan RPE, atau aku mau cek dulu what is RPE actually. RPE kepanjangannya rate of perceived exertions. Itulah pokoknya. Rate dari tenaga yang aku keluarkan itu, seberapa effort yang aku keluarkan gitulah kurang lebih. So itu yang akan aku lakukan, and I'll start with incline barbell chest press, and then after that I have lateral raise with standing positions. Jadi aku bisa angkat lebih berat lagi, and then after that I have incline chest fly yang kayak gitu-gitu, and then last one overhead triceps. So we bring it back again, the overhead triceps. Dan ya itu aja yang akan jadi latihanku this morning. I went to read the book di rumah sih sebenarnya. I don't go out because it's raining outside, and then also I had client actually in the morning, tapi nggak bisa karena hujan deras banget. Dan ya begitu-gitulah. Habis itu aku baca tentang gimana caranya you winning the game still in an argument, tapi tanpa membuat si lawanmu itu merasa rendah. Udah gitu aja. Tapi aku dengan cara yang barusan aku dapat tuh, dengan cara kalian tuh bener-bener pengen jadi orang yang dikoreksi. Jadi kayak bilang, mungkin aku yang salah karena aku suka salah sih sebenarnya. Yuk coba perbaiki ini gitu. Jadi kalau misalnya kalian bener-bener yakin, bilang aja seperti itu. Supaya kalian itu bener-bener lihat dan cek penjelasannya tuh kayak gimana gitu. Jadi kalian bisa show your argument, give a reason to it why you have the argument, yang kayak gitu lah kurang lebih. Jadi kurang lebih seperti itu. Dan masih segitu aja. Aku perlu banyak belajar lagi, atau perlu belajar lagi tentang buku itu. Dan yeah, it's quite interesting of a book that I've read. Dan aku belum selesai, tapi nggak apa-apa. So that's it guys. Let's just do the incline barbell chest press today. I don't know how many kilos that I'm gonna do. Aku lihat aja nanti di handphoneku berapa kilo, tapi yang jelas nggak gitu berat hari ini. Dan yeah, I start at 8:49 and hopefully can be finished at 9:49. Dan nanti ada meeting juga beres aku nge-gym ini. So, without any further ado, let's just do the workout, and please subscribe and watch till the end. Bye-bye.
The pace when I'm running, I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up, it's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can better.
Yep. Whew. That was the first one, and I didn't turn on the AC yet because it's cold, but I think I'm gonna do it now. But this 62.5 kilos, I think it's doing well, and hopefully I can do 2 more sets with a good mind and muscle connections. So, 2 set lagi. One more. That was it, guys. I did it. And it was good. Aku bisa selesaikan semuanya di beban yang sama, dan I didn't go up after the first sets karena I think it's not necessary for now untuk naikin bebannya dan forcing myself to get it, karena kayaknya aku perlu bikin deload ini benar-benar jadi deload. I don't want to go too heavy di deload pada hari ini, di hari terakhir ini. Karena aku butuh tahan diriku sendiri untuk nggak naikin bebannya. Dan barusan pun itu sudah cukup heavy karena aku benar-benar cut off my rest time supaya bisa ngerasain heavy-nya. Dan itu yang aku lakukan. That was good. Now let's just moving on to the next exercise, which is lateral raise. I think I'm gonna go from 13. So I'm gonna try to do 3 by 12, dan itu aja. This incline barbell bench press is going well, jadi nggak ada masalah lah sama repetisi, gerakannya, dan lain sebagainya. Okay, let's just take a rest first. Okay guys, sekarang aku akan masuk langsung ke lateral raise atau gerakan kedua. So aku akan lakukan di 11,5 kilo 3 kali 12 repetisi. Mudah-mudahan lancar.
2, 3, 4 steps I take from my bed to the floor. 5, 6, 7, 8. Will today be rough or will today be great? 9, 10, 11, 12. Lately I've been going through hell. 13, 14, 15, 16. Today's the day. Are you coming? Are you with me? Being normal, I'm sick of being average. I'm sick of being mortal, I'm about to be a savage. I see a lot of things that I want, I will have them. I got a new mindset that I just established. I march through the cold.
Yep, that was okay. 2 more sets.
Get out the basement. My story will be told, helping others make changes. I'll be so bored, they will watch in amazement. I will never settle, got my foot up on the pedal, pushing hard to the metal, make a deal level, channel rage through my vessel, and it's something that is special. Energy of a rebel, going up a level. I just wanna be greatness. I could feel the changes.
That was it. Coba kita stretch dulu. Woi, dah itu aja latihan yang ini aku sudah bisa selesaikan dengan baik, and it felt good to have this standing shoulder lateral raise again karena aku bisa angkat lebih berat karena bisa lakukan hentakan sedikit aja, tapi ngebantu aku untuk dapetin aku punya shoulder itu bisa kerasa. So that was it for this workout. Let's moving on to the next one. Next one I have incline chest fly, and it is gonna be at, I don't know, let me check it first, 13 kilos. So, yep, di 13 kilo. Mudah-mudahan bisa dapat dengan baik. It is gonna be 3 by 12 again. Bye-bye.
You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top. If it's the last thing I did, never catch me when I'm gone. Cause I'll be working off the grid, grinding through all the pain. I said I'd do it and I did. I'm the type to work until my hands fucking bleed. I'm the type to fight when others fall into their knees.
I think I'm gonna go up. So it is gonna be at 14.5 kilos then for the next 2 sets.
I got a hunger inside of me, a flame ignites entirely. I work really quietly to build a perfect dynasty, a place where my mind is free from the chains of society. I take all anxiety and turn it to the finer things. Oh, don't take it slow, I got these places to go. I wanna grow, I wanna be something more, a different mode. I'll hit if I gotta go, cause I got something to show the world that one day will know. You won't see me stop, no, you won't see me quit. I'm gonna make it to the top. If it's the last thing I did, never catch me, man. So I'll be working off the grid, grinding through all the pain. I said I'd do it and I did. I'm the type to work until my hands fucking bleed. I'm the type to fight when others fall into their knees. I'm the type to ask for more pain, get it please. On the other side of pain is everything I fucking need.
That's it. So guys, itu dia barusan latihanku yang aku lakukan di beban set pertamanya itu 13. Habis itu aku ngerasa kayaknya aku bisa lakukan lebih deh, because I was thinking that it was too light on the first set just yang aku lakukan, dan habis itu aku angkat di 14,5 kilo untuk 2 set setelahnya untuk 12 repetisi, and then yeah, it was good, it was okay. I can feel the stretch more than I had before. Well, before I mean like the first set. Dan ya, itu saja latihanku pada hari ini. Not pada hari ini, untuk yang gerakan ini. Sekarang aku masih punya satu gerakan lagi, yaitu overhead tricep extension. And I think I'm gonna try to do it on the incline positions like this. And then let's see how it is going. Kalau misalnya kalian lihat videonya aku standing, ya udah berarti percobaanku untuk lakukan incline seperti ini itu gagal. Udah gitu aja. So I'm gonna take a rest first, get some drink a little bit, and then do the workout after that, the last workout. Okay, bye bye.
What kind of person would it take to seduce her? So what's next? You're obsessed with judgment and your success. Make progress, this life is never promised. So feel blessed with life, don't be too cautious. Trust the process.
Oh, should have this one. So that's what I'm going to do, and I think it's good. Hopefully it is. Jadi ya akan seperti itu. 2 set lagi. Aku rubah pakai yang straight bar. Mudah-mudahan lebih oke lah rasanya. Anjir. Susah banget untuk ngembali ini. Tapi kayaknya aku bisa deh. Ini tuh panjangin aku punya rantai di bawah. But the rest of it during the workout, it was good. So, 1 set lagi. That was it. Aku mau beres-beres dulu, and then we do the outro after that. Okay guys, that was it. That was all of my exercises, and I finished at 9:39, and I think it was 50 minutes karena beresnya aku lakukan intro tadi itu di 8:49. Jadi yeah, it was great. Jadi berjalan dengan lancar lah sesuai dengan apa yang aku perkirakan. And today's workout is gonna be the wrap of the workouts week. Jadi tinggal besok aku kayaknya mau istirahat dulu. And then after that on Tuesday we start again on the day 1 for the week 7. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, kayak gitu. And hopefully once again on the week 7, which is I'm gonna increase the intensity where it is gonna be like what is it called? Higher stress that I'm gonna put it on my body. Jadi mudah-mudahan nggak gitu sulit dan aku punya badan itu sudah ready terhadap high stress workout again. And yeah, mudah-mudahan bisa lancar lah. Now I'm gonna eat, prepare, and then do my meetings after that. Okay, mudah-mudahan bisa berjalan dengan lancar. And yeah, that was all of my exercises, and it was super good, and I don't feel guilty or rushing myself untuk selesaikan aku punya sets dan latihan. Itu kayaknya oke deh. I'm doing it dengan sukacita gitu. So yeah, itu aja guys. Please guys, jangan lupa subscribe, and for those of you who are watching it up until now, I really thank you very much. And for those of you who haven't subscribed, please subscribe. It would mean a lot to me. So, yeah. We'll see you guys on the next video. Jangan lupa subscribe once again. And hopefully you guys have a good workout as well. Bye-bye.